Apple has urgently released iOS 17.1.2, emphasizing important security fixes applicable to all iPhone users. The tech giant recommends immediate updates for maintaining device security. The update addresses vulnerabilities in Apple's WebKit, the open-source web content engine, posing potential risks of data leakage and arbitrary code execution. Michael Covington, VP of Strategy at Jamf, notes that the bugs seem connected to targeted attacks common against high-risk users. To install the update, users should navigate to iPhone Settings, General, and tap on Software Update. The download and installation process is expected to take only a few minutes. The update is compatible with various iPhone models, including iPhone XS and later, iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad, and iPad mini devices from certain generations. Notably, this release, labeled iOS 17.1.2, comes just 3 weeks after the previous update, iOS 17.1.1, indicating the urgency of the security fixes. Unlike a rapid security response, RSR, that focuses solely on security fixes, this update does not introduce new features. Apple states that it offers important security fixes without specifying the nature of the vulnerabilities. The unexpected nature of this update has led to speculation about an in-between release before iOS 17.2, anticipated in December, which is expected to bring new features and bug fixes. The much-anticipated Journal app, changes to the Apple TV app, and notification sound customization as potential additions in iOS 17.2. Security notes from Apple highlight 2 critical fixes for WebKit. The first addresses an out-of-bounds read with improved input validation, potentially disclosing sensitive information. The second deals with a memory corruption vulnerability that could lead to arbitrary code execution. Apple is aware of reports suggesting these issues might have been exploited in versions of iOS before iOS 16.7.1. In summary, Apple users are advised to update their iOS versions immediately due to the severity of the addressed security issues and the absence of new features in this release. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell.